Hello friends. Today we're here to teach you how to access TradingFinder indicators on the TradingView website. On this page, you can learn how to access and install TradingFinder indicators on different platforms. On the home page of the site, we easily select TradingView Indicators from the Indicators section. On the Indicators page, we select our desired indicator, such as various options and settings. On the Open page, you can learn how to use and work with the indicator and to access the indicator. By selecting this option, you can access the indicator on the TradingView website. Read about the indicator. For quick access, add to favorites, search the indicator name or type TFLab to find related indicators. And for quicker and easier access, you can activate the Add to Favorites option in this section. To access the indicator from the chart on the TradingView site, we search for the name of the indicator in the Indicators section, or by typing TFLab, you can see the indicators related to TFLab and TradingFinder, or by searching for the name of the indicator and selecting it, you can run it on the chart. Also, in this section, you can add the indicator to your favorites on the TradingView site by activating the Add to Favorite option. And select the indicator to run it on the chart. In this section, you can also add the indicators to your favorites on the TradingView site by activating the Add to Favorite option. Here we can see that the indicator has been applied to our chart and has identified the signal levels for us. Well friends, we've reached the end of the tutorial. I would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions thus in the comments section.